Hi! Greetings of the day! In the previous videos, we saw how the order feature of Quickorders works. Now let's move on to the payment feature. In the Names section, the admin can see the name of the merchant. In the Email section, the email contact details of the merchant are given. Commission type indicates how the admin will earn revenue. It can either be in percentage or it can be a fixed amount. Total amount denotes the amount that is paid to admin after completion of an order. Paid amount refers to that amount which the admin pays to the merchant. Unpaid amount represents the amount that is yet to be paid to the merchant. By clicking on the Pay option, admin can pay the outstanding amount to the merchant. Payment history tells the past transactions with a particular merchant. Order commission enables that is earned on one order. This completes the payment feature of Quickorders admin panel. To know more about Quickorders, refer to our website given in the description below.